Hello, it's Angeline. I'm back with another crafty video with Unity stamp, and today I'm going to show you how to create this easy Christmas spinner card. So first, I already stamped and colored this Little Holiday Helpers by Unity Stamp and Terry Jackson with some Copic markers. That's the boy and girl version here. They are so cute. And this is the brand new paper pack by Unity called the Red Christmas Pack. And they are 6x6 and they have so many cute red Christmas holiday designs. So I've already adhered one of the pattern papers to my cut base, and I'm going to die cut a circle window and also die cut these cute little helpers here. So here is how it looks like once it has run through my Sizzix Big Shot machine, and I have some Trendy Twine here to create my spinner card. So I'm going to place both the girl and boy version back to back. So first I'm going to put the twine right in the middle of the circle here and using some washi tape to secure it down. Then I'm using some adhesive here to adhere the girl version to the boy and just making sure the twine is really tight and straight so that this will create your spinner element. Then it's time to adhere the spinner element to your card. So again, I'm using some washi tape here first to place it to my card, and you can adjust it wherever you like, making sure it is aligned right in the middle of your card and making sure your twine is straight and tight so that the card will actually spin right in the middle. Once you're happy with the alignment, just add on more washi tape to decorate the back part of your card. I've also added lots and lots of Unity sequins around my circle and to make it more festive and bling. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoy this quick tip technique on how to create this easy spinner card. Thanks for watching. Bye!